Hi guys, thanks for coming to my channel. Here's the look we're doing today. We have a daytime turned into a nighttime. This one only has 2 shadows and this one only has 3. Same eyeliner and mascara for both eyes as well. And I'm gonna teach you how to do an ombre lip. So if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you know when I have new videos coming out, and like. So I have my face done already because we are going to do a daytime look, a really simple daytime look, and turn it into an evening look. And I'm gonna try and limit it to 2 or 3 colors. So the first thing you wanna do, prime your eyelids. And because we're not doing like super high pigmented look right now, but just like a simple daytime to the office look or whatever, I didn't use like a super tacky primer, like a concealer or anything. I just used e.l.f. primer and I put it all the way up to my eyebrow and smoothed it out with a brush. I'm all prepped and ready. I'm going to use this really pretty blushy color as like my transition color. For my transition, I always want to use a blending brush because I want it really soft. I don't want any harsh lines or anything. So I just have a nice blending brush that's nice and fluffy. And I'm gonna take this rosy color here and I'm just gonna go right where my crease would be. And I'm just gonna kind of lay it down there and work it. I go in circular motions. You just work it on your eyelid there. And I have hooded eyes. That means like when my eyes are open, you can't really see my eyelid part. So I always have to bring the color up so that when my eye is open, you can see the eyeshadow. So I'm just building with that rosy color. Still keeping it just with one color. And you can go as light or dark as you want with whatever single color you want to use for that transition shade. And if you get too much, color on your brush, just wipe it off. I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit, get it nice and smooth, like that. And I'm gonna do the other side too real quick, just so that when I transition to the evening look, I'll have like the evening look on one side and the day look on the other. All right. So get a nice little crease going there and blend it out. Let me do this other side real quick. Just do it till they look even. Even enough for you anyway. Me, nothing's ever even. Okay, so we've got that transition color going on there. You know what, I'm gonna take that same color, that same blush color. So we're still sticking with the one color. And I'm gonna kind of like bring it in the corner right here of my eye, buff it inward towards like the center of my eyelid. Still just using that one color. Do it on the other side. Just wanna bring that in right in the corner. And that tapping you guys always hear, that's me. I dip it in the color and then double tap. Gotta get that fallout off, otherwise it ends up all over your face. So I brought it in the corners there a little bit. And then I just kind of blended it out, faded it out. Now, if you want that shimmer, something that's not matte like this, but a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of pop, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you wanna get a shadow that has like the reflectors in it, which is a shimmer, not like one that has pieces or chunks of glitter in it. So I'm gonna take this color, it's called Pretty Penny. It's a really pretty copper color. It's a really pretty, see how you can see like a reflection, I can't even talk, in it. Usually I would use my finger to put that on my eyelid. But since I'm doing a day look first, I want it to be a little bit lighter and not so heavy-handed. So I'm going to take a flat brush. Any flat brush will do, nice flat brush. So we're gonna take that Pretty Penny, and I'm just gonna go real light on my eyelid here, on the rest of my eyelid. And just gonna kind of fade it out. Just keeping it light, like blend it out, And it just gives you just enough like shimmer, but not like will bam glitter in your face, you know. And it kind of like matches the color of that rosy color that I put on first, which I'm gonna take again, and I'm just gonna kind of darken this area right here with that same rosy color we used in the beginning, just to kind of get that contrast there from that pretty penny color. I might have been like a little heavy-handed with the color just because I like bold colors, but you can definitely be even lighter handed with your eyeshadow so that it's like not so pigmented. But that would be your day look right there with just 2 eyeshadow colors. So you've got, you got a little bit of shimmer right there on the eyelid, and then it fades out to your matte, more natural looking colors. Now, to make this look more evening, I'm going to show you how to do that on this eye, and I'm going to add 1 more color. So this eye will have 3 colors, and this one will have 2. But for that extra drama, we just need 1 more color. Instead of using that flat brush to put that shimmer on my eyelid, I'm going to use my finger, and I'm just going to swipe it right on my lid here. It's depositing way more pigment on my eyelid, so it's darker and more saturated, and get right up in that corner. But you can see right there the difference, yeah? Like this one is way darker and copperier and shinier. So after you do that, I'm gonna take my blending brush again and just kind of blend down here in those corners. After you do that, I have this chocolatey color. It's called Brownie Points. It's like just a matte, super matte chocolatey brown, just the tiniest bit. And put it in the corner right here where we took that blush color and made it darker. We're just gonna take that brown, that Brownie Points color that I grabbed here, and add some drama to this look so that you're ready to go out on the town. So I do it in this corner right here, and then I kind of like just very lightly bring it into my crease. And you can see like this eye is already super, super dramatic just from adding that 3rd color, right? And then you can bring it down a little bit under the eye to give you that smoky look. And there you go, you've got your daytime look and turned it into an evening look. And this is just 3 colors, guys. 3 colors. Then what you would want to do is add liner, right? So I have a brown liquid eyeliner pen. I just line it right on the edge of where my eyelashes meet my eyelid. I'm keeping it real simple, real thin. Not even making a wing. There we go. And then for the evening eye, you can take the same brown eyeliner. So you want it to follow like the shape of your eye. So you like look at where your lower lid is going up where it meets your upper lid. And you want your wing to come out right there. So like that. And then for me, I have to like go in like that because I have hooded eyes. When my eyes are open, you wouldn't like really be able to see the wing. So I have to like improvise. I go in like that, and then watch. I go like this. I come down from that little notch. I know it looks weird, but look when I open my eyes. It looks like just a regular wing, right? So that's how you make a wing for us hooded eye folk. Make it as thick and dramatic as you would like. And then fill it in. I gotta fill this part in over here. And there you go. Actually, you can make this even more nighttime by smoking that brown out even more under the eye. Just add a little bit more shading and smokiness. Grab your favorite mascara. So for daytime, I would say do 1 coat. 1 coat on your lashes. There. And then for evening, at least 2 coats. add the volume to them lashes. So there's my evening lashes. 2 eyeshadow colors, 3 eyeshadow colors, and I'm even going to take a little bit more of that chocolatey brown and put it under right here. But it's crazy how you can get 2 different looks, you know, with about the same products. One just has one more color than the other. You got your daytime look, your nighttime look. I would definitely add a mascara to the lower lash here. There we are. You can see the difference. Isn't that crazy? And then for lips, if you wanted to make a daytime lip turn into a nighttime lip, first thing you want to do, line your lips. And this liner is so pretty and such like a pretty nude color. I could even just like fill my lips in with this color. Alright, so once you get your lips lined, I would probably just take a really, you know, neutral nude color. So I would take, this one's called Birthday Cake. It's a really pretty color. Alright, so there's daytime. And then a way to turn this into nighttime, take this color called Macaroon. So Birthday Cake and Macaroon. And this one's a little bit rosier. And you just want to fill in the corners. And this is turning it into nighttime, so I do like the top corner first and then blot it. So it looks like that, right? And you just blot it. And then just tap it where it was like meeting the lighter color so that it blends smoothly. But look at that corner compared to that one. Isn't that cool what you can do with makeup? There we go. Now I've got ombre lips. That's my look. We got the daytime and the evening. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. It was fun. It's a challenge using less colors. So we got 2 eyeshadows on this one, 3 on this one. Same mascara and eyeliner on both, just used differently. And then we got the lips. I hope you liked it. This was a fun look to do. Thank you so much for your support. Bye. I'll be like, hey.